Yo, boys, what's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? So, piece of shit taco back again for another repair. Really? You had to ruin the shot?
Bro, I don't know what is going on, bro, but as of late, if we're in the house, I get no service.
So, today we are going to be fixing my window.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I don't get service in there either. My videos don't upload in my bedroom at all. So, here's the window situation we got right now. It's off the track. So, if you look, you'll see.
Can't pull this apart.
No, I wish. You have to pull it out. You have to unbolt it down here at the bottom. So yeah, I disconnected this. I'm gonna disconnect this and probably these two so I can pull this out my way. Maybe we'll see. I'm just trying to make some room because my window. I'm gonna see if I can get the camera to focus down. Oh, yeah, there it is. It's focusing, but you're never gonna see this. But yeah, it's off the track pretty bad. So yeah, we're gonna try and get it back on there. Wish me luck. My window won't roll up until this is fixed, so hopefully I fix it. Alright, boys, so a little update for you on this video. As you can see now, there's no window in there at all. We pulled the window out. All you have to do is lower it down, and there's these two 10mm bolts that sit right on the bottom. So the one you can get if you pop this off right here, okay? And the other one, it's a pain, but if you come down here and pull all this crap up out of your way, there's like a little, see it? There you go. There's a little hole right there, and there's the 10mm. Yeah, have fun with that. That one was not easy. I'll show you my tool of choice. My tool of choice was this right here with a 10mm on it. It's a 10mm. So yeah. So we got that off. John is cleaning the window. Well, I cleaned the window. John's tinting the window right now. I only have 35%, so this might get tinted. It might not be tinted. If it gets tinted, it's going to be 35, and the rest are 5, so it'll look like shit, but it'll be fine for now. Project number 2 that I'm going to tackle right now is these rock light wires. So when I ran the rock lights, I ran 2 sets at the nighttime in a hurry. So here it is. We are gonna clean these up. Let's go. Nah, from right here it's not bad, but like in certain lightings, like if you stand right here.
Nah, the window's just dirty. Back window's just dirty. What you talking about?
So the tint was shot. We didn't put the tint on. The door is back together. The window does not work. Basically, in a nutshell, it's that little Y bracket down here that the window sits on and goes up and down on.
Genius.
We spent all that time putting the window back on, and then
we fixed it. And then I was like, "Hey, Justin, don't roll it down past this point because it'll pop off the fucking bracket." And guess what he does? He's like, "Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna send it. We're gonna roll this bitch all the way down." And then he fucking doom. And guess what? The fucking bracket broke.
It popped off the bracket. We had to put it back on. The window's not rolling down. There's no tin on it now, but now we know I need a whole new door. So that's gonna end that, because I don't think you can get just that little bracket. So my whole door is fucked. Need a new door. Thanks for the help, John. End this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for the next taco shitbox fixing updates thing. Yeah. Bye. Later. Catch you.